In this video today, let us see how to set alarm on our iPhone. For that one, you have to tap on this clock icon here. If you want to add an alarm, tap on this plus icon here, and you can set any time. Let me set for example 5 o'clock in the morning. So 5 o'clock AM. So I have set the time. Now there is another option here, repeat. So if you want to repeat the alarm every Sunday or every Monday, you can select. That means this alarm will automatically set for these days. If you don't want, just remove the tick mark. Let me go back. Now if you want to give a label to this alarm, select label, and here you can say, like, suppose duty, my duty time. I can write here duty, duty. Okay, then let me select sound. So here what you can do is you can customize the sound of the alarm. You can select any sound, or else you can also select song. Select any song. If you want to see more songs, you can select this option, pick a song. Go to songs, and then you can select any song. So once you have set the sound, go back and then select save. So in this way, what we have done is we have set an alarm in our iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.